Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a crochet gajra. For this pattern we will need two color of first weight yarn. I am using white color and maroon color for flower. You can make it any size as per your required, and I am using 2.25 crochet hook, 2.25 crochet hook. Let us start. First I am taking white color yarn and make slip knot and make 120 foundation chains.
ठीक है रखो तो खाएंगे थोड़ा सा एक तो काम कर रहे हैं हाँ ठीक है रखो
Make 3 DC in the last stitch and then 3 chain. Go to the same stitch and make 1 slip stitch. And now I am going to the next stitch. Make 1 single crochet stitch and 1 2 3 chain and make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch, then 3 chain and go to the same stitch and make 1 slip stitch. You repeat the same pattern in each stitch in this round and do not skip any stitches. And now it looks this type, and this is a flowery look, gajra look, and you this is a flower type spiral. And now I am insert one chains one cord. This is only I have made 52 chains for ribbon. You can use elastic also. For rows I am taking 56 foundation chains. Now I am making 1 double crochet stitch in the 5th stitch from your hook, then 2 chain and go to the same stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch, then skip the next 2 stitches and go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. This is a V stitch. You repeat it in this round. Now every space you make 6 double crochet stitch. And go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet stitch, and then go to the next space and make 6 double crochet stitch. And go to the next stitch and make one single crochet stitch. You repeat the same pattern in this round. This is the last round of this flower. Now you cut your yarn, extra yarn, and fold it properly. Sew it with craft needle and attach it in your Gajra. This is a very easy pattern. You can make it easily at home. You attach this flower in the middle of your Gajra. You can use gun glue also, glue gun also, sorry. Here I am using craft needle for attaching this beautiful rose. And thanks for watching my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, The Crochet World, and thanks for your support. Thank you.